Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a crustless pizza in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This will be real simple. I have some 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef here. I'm just going to open it up and spread it out in the bottom of my slow cooker here. Looks like Honey the cat's going to help out a little bit. I'm going to cook the meat first, and then when it's done I'm going to put some pizza sauce and cheese on top. So now I'm going to season this with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper, besides pepper that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. Use that a lot, but you can use whatever seasonings you like. I spread the meat kind of thin on the bottom of the pot, and I kind of made it thicker around the edges because it cooks faster around the edges, and also that will help hold the sauce in place, because this will shrink down when the fat cooks out, and that'll help hold the sauce from running off the edges. Now I'm going to cook this on high, and when the meat's done we'll add the sauce and cheese. Alright, it's been about an hour and 10 minutes. Let's see how this is doing. That looks good. I told you it would shrink up a lot. Now I have a jar of pizza sauce, half a jar of pizza sauce. This is a 12.5 ounce jar. I used half of it yesterday because I tried this out yesterday, see how it would work. And I thought it was good. If you don't have pizza sauce, you could use pasta sauce. I was thinking even ketchup might be pretty good. Be more like a cheeseburger or something that way, I guess. Alright. Looks like the half a jar of pasta sauce is about right. Now I'm going to just top it with cheese. This is a Mexican blend cheese. So just sprinkle some of that on top. And I'm not using any other toppings. I'm just going to use the pizza sauce and the cheese, but you could add other toppings if you wanted to. This is a pretty basic recipe. So like I said, you could do it however you want, make it fancier. Now I'll just get the lid on there and let the cheese melt. It's been 10 or 15 minutes. Let's see how this looks. That looks good to me. The cheese is all melted. I think what I'll do is just cut off a piece here. Like this. See if I can get it out of there. Okay. Alright. Let's cut off a piece here and try it out. That's good. That's real easy to make. Annie's dancing around over here. I guess I gotta let her try it. There you go, Annie. Inhale. Guess that's Annie approved. Well, that turned out good, and you could change that around any way you want. Different toppings, different seasonings. You could even make it in a pan in the oven as well. Just however you want to do it. Anyway, I'll write the way I did it in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.